Good morning, students of class 11. It is the video for class 11 students, subject English. I have to tell you something about tenses, and you will learn what are the ingredients of tenses and how the tenses are used. Moreover, its primary structure and the meaning of tenses so that it can be used in your daily life as well as in writing. It is also known as the backbone of English because without knowing the sequence of tenses as well as the structure of the tenses, one is handicapped in writing something else. So here I have something to tell you what is tense and what is its meaning. Moreover, I will give you the structure of various kinds of tenses that you will learn it so well. Tenses are the form taken by a verb to show the time of an action or the state of an event. It also tells us that time taken in order to perform an action that is referred to as tense. There are three tenses. Number one, the present tense, the past tense, and third one is the future tense. Each of the three tenses has four forms or subdivisions to show continuity or completeness of the action and time. These are indefinite, continuous or imperfect, perfect or perfect continuous. Means number one is indefinite, number two is continuous or imperfect. Indefinite is also known as simple, and third one is perfect, and the fourth one is perfect continuous. Here I would like to tell you about the table of English tenses that are indefinite or simple, you can say, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So here there are present, past and future. So you will understand in this way that if it is present tense, then in indefinite we use the present form of the verb that is indicated by the verb play or plays. Means if it is present form, its meaning is what? Play. Play means V1, present form. Plays V5 means S or ES is used. If the subject is third person singular number as I, we, and second person you and third person they, it means you have to use the present form of the verb. And if it is third person singular number, then it is V5, that is plays. He plays, she plays, Ram plays, Gita plays. Or if it is I, we, you, they, I play, we play, you play, they play, like that. In the same way, if it is a present continuous tense, then the verbs are used as is, am, are plus before playing, that is means V1 plus ing, as he is playing, I am playing, you are playing, they are playing, we are playing, like that. If it is perfect tense, in that tense we just use has or have plus V3, that is played. And so here you can say third person singular number, he, she has played, or I have played, we have played, they have played, like that. Here, in the same way, in perfect continuous tense, we can use he has been playing, she has been playing, Rita has been playing, we have been playing, I have been playing, you have been playing, they have been playing. Like that we can use. In the similar fashion, if it is the past tense, then we use in indefinite tense played means V2. He played, she played, I played. Here we do not distinguish between the number and persons of the subject, but we simply use the past form of the verb. Moreover, if it is past continuous tense, then was or were plus before means I was playing, she was playing, we were playing, they were playing. If it is perfect tense, past perfect, then we use had plus V3, had played means I had played, we had played. And if it is past perfect continuous tense, we use I had been playing, we had been playing, he had been playing. Like that we can use any form of verb plus ing. Had been is compulsorily used to indicate the action started in the past and is continued and was continued to happen in the past time. But if it is future simple or indefinite tense, we shall play, I will play, he will play. Like that we can use. Or shall or will plus be plus before, as I will be playing, we shall be playing. And if it is perfect tense, future perfect, will or shall plus have plus V3, played. So here I will have played, they will have played. And if it is continuous, future continuous, that is hardly used, that is not generally used. In that very tense we can use he will have been playing, she will have been playing. Like that it is used. Now I would like to tell you about that the indefinite tense does not indicate whether the action is complete or not. In this sense, we understand about the present indefinite, past indefinite or future indefinite. If it is continuous tense, in that very case, we just understand that the action is in progress. If it is present, if it is past, action was in progress, and if it is future continuous, then we refer to the action will continue to go on. If it is perfect tense, that indicates that the action is complete, finished or perfect. There is no doubt. Means it expresses the completion of an action in the present time, in the past time or the future time. Perfect continuous tense indicates that the action began in the past and is still in progress, still continuing. So here you will understand like that. Now I would like to tell you about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? That I have already explained it to you with the structure also. Again you have to know subject plus verb 1 or verb 5 plus object. What does it express? It expresses a general truth or an action that is occurring now. As here the sun rises in the east. From the east you can also say. It expresses an action that occurs regularly or habitually. She goes to the school regularly. Here you have to know about the sentences, kinds of sentences. If it is affirmative, they use subject plus B1. They play, and if it is negative, they do not play. If it is interrogative, then do they play, And if it is negative interrogative, do they not play? So here you can understand like this. But if it is the subject is different, third person singular number, then you must write he plays. And if it is negative, use does not, he does not play. If it is interrogative, then you use does he play. If it is negative interrogative sentence, does he not play. Moreover, you can use the WH words in interrogative. What do they play? When do they play? Where do they play? Who plays? Or like that you can use why do they not play? When do they not play? Like that sentence you can use. You can also understand the uses like this. It refers to any kind of scientific researches or the experiments that are scientific information that are given in the simple present tense. So, simple present tense also expresses the future events that is already scheduled. So, you must understand these things. Thank you, children. Thank you.